In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email draft as a template in Pipedrive Sales Inbox. If you send similar emails again and again, creating a reusable template will save time and keep your messaging consistent. Let's walk through the simplest way to turn a draft you're already composing into a template you can use anytime. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Sales Inbox. This is where you can manage conversations and compose new messages without leaving your CRM. Once you're there, click New Email. A fresh Compose window will open. Write your email the way you normally would. Add a clear subject line, type your message, and make sure the tone matches your brand. If your account supports merge fields, consider personalizing with tokens like a recipient's first name or company name so each message feels tailored. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and watch your formatting. Plain, consistent styles deliver better deliverability. If you use a signature, confirm it looks correct in this window. Before you send the message, turn it into a template. In the Compose window, open the template options by clicking Choose Template. From that menu, select Save Draft as a template. You'll be prompted to name your template. Use a clear, searchable name like Intro, Product Demo, Short, or Follow-up, No Response, 3 days. If there's a description field, add a quick note about when to use it. Some plans let you choose whether the template is private or shared. Pick the option that fits your workflow. Then save. You've now captured your draft as a template, and nothing in your current Compose window is lost. You can go ahead and send the email as usual. Saving the template doesn't send anything automatically. It just stores your content so you can pull it up next time with a couple of clicks. A few practical tips to keep your templates effective. Revisit them periodically to update links, offers, or signatures, and keep the language universal so it works across multiple contacts. If you plan to include attachments, remember that many email tools don't store files inside templates, so you may need to attach them each time before sending. Finally, send a quick test to yourself to check formatting and personalization before using a new template widely. That's all there is to it. You open Pipedrive, composed your message in Sales Inbox, save that draft as a template through the Choose Template menu, and then sent your email. With this in place, you'll write faster and stay consistent across your outreach.